Okay, I'm going to start in 3, 2, 1, let's go. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Question number 1. Okay, Bob cycled 27 kilometers at a speed of 10 kilometers per hour. How long did he cycle for? Give your answer in hours and minutes. Give your answer in hours and minutes. Where is my Kahoot sound? For some reason, it's not happening. Yes, Caitlin, I was at MasterMaths Woodlands last Wednesday, if that's what you're asking. Hi, Sunplay. Hi, everyone. All right, we have 30 seconds left for this question. Remember, we want to give our answer in hours and minutes, yeah? The first option is 2 hours, 7 minutes. The blue one is 2 hours, 70 minutes. The yellow one, 2 hours and 35 minutes. And lastly, the green one, 2 hours and 42 minutes. What is our answer? We got 15 seconds left. All right, in 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. Asma, if you got no device, you can just type it in, okay? Oh, we have one last second. Okay, ooh, quite a number of you have gotten this wrong. Now, when you use your calculator, guys, when you type in the answer, it shows 2.7, but that doesn't mean 2.7, 2 hours and 7 minutes, okay? Let's see the correct answer. For now, Super Snail, congratulations. Okay, so let's take a look at solution 1. I'm pretty sure all of you were able to get 2.7, right, after you divide. But 0.7 means 0.7 of an hour. So that means 7 out of 10 of 1 hour. So what you want to do is to change the denominator into 60 to derive your 42 minutes, okay? So once again, 2 hours and 2 and 7 out of 10 hours is the same as 2 hours and 42 minutes. So it is not 2.7, not 2 minutes, or rather not 2 hours and 7 minutes, okay? So what you want to do, just a quick one here, we will use this later on. What you want to do is to actually express as a mixed number. You will want to first express as a mixed number, then you change your denominator into out of 60 so that you can retrieve the minutes. Okay, everybody? All right. So once again, it is not 2 hours and 7 minutes. We got to convert the 0.7 into a fraction with the denominator of 60 first. Then we can get our minutes, which is 2 hours and 42 minutes as our answer. Okay? So the correct answer is 2 hours and 42 minutes. Let me shift this screen a little bit. Okay, there we go. All right, if you are good, let's move on. Okay, we will move on now to the second question. Unfortunately, our sound is still not here yet, and give me a second. Let me try to... Okay, there we go. Next question. Question number 2. Yeah. Okay, this one is a simple question. You just got to take a look at the rate here and think about your conversions, okay, guys? Okay? Oh, Caitlin, yes. Yes, I remember you. All right. How's it coming, guys? Okay. So this one, quite simple. Quite simple. You just have to remember your conversion. Okay? Remember your conversion, friends. All right, how's it going so far? Ooh. Okay, we have 81 people getting it right. That is wonderful. Now, I'm pretty sure you guys are very interested for me to move on to the next question. But since our numbers are climbing, we are having 225 viewers. For some reason, this is quite a great number for tonight. Thank you for joining and thank you for spending your Tuesdays with me. My name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. We are down to question 3 out of 8. There are double points questions later on, so please feel free to join now. The pin is 632421, okay? Let me explain the solution to this question, and then we can move on to the next one. For those of you who wants to join now, the game pin is 632421. You still have a chance to climb the leaderboard because we have some double points questions later on, all right? So, let me share with you the solution for this one. A lot of students will fail to do this because they forgot the conversion from seconds to minutes. So, from 1 second that we have here, if we want to find 2 minutes, we can first find 1 minute. And 1 minute is not 100 seconds, it is instead 60 seconds, yeah? So we multiply this by 60 on both sides, we're going to get 180 milliliters. And multiply that by 2 because we want 2 minutes. Okay, everybody? Alright, so you need to remember your conversion. 1 minute is 60 seconds, not 100 seconds. Alright? And that is the solution for question number 2. Now, if you would like to watch our previous live classes, they can be found on our YouTube channel at MasterMathsTV. Okay? YouTube channel at MasterMathsTV. Alright. So 2 minutes is also 120 seconds, and we can also multiply that by 3. Some of you have done that, and that is also correct. Good job. Okay, if you are great, we are going to move on. Unfortunately, today our 𝐏𝐤 sound is not coming out for some particular reason, but no problem. Let's move on to the third question, okay, everybody? All right, let's go. Third question for the day. Kieran takes 20 minutes to walk 1020 meters. I want to find his average speed in kilometers per hour. Kilometers per hour. So what is our average speed in kilometers per hour? All right. McSpicy, I think you can try again. Is everybody able to see the screen? I hope you guys are able to see it on your phones as well. Oopsies. I am so sorry. What happened here? Okay, I am so sorry. Some of the wires got tangled. Okay, we are down to our final 30 seconds for this one. A quick note here, okay guys? A quick note here. We want the speed to be in kilometers per hour. So you got to convert the meters into kilometers. Change to find 1 hour. Okay, change to find 1 hour. Okay, I can give you a clue. Those of you who are choosing red, that is not correct. Red is not correct. Try again. S&P, M, yay. Mika, try again. It's okay if you got it wrong. It's completely fine. You can learn from it. It's like at PSLE anyway. Alright, so the correct answer is 3.06 kilometers per hour. Now, how do we get that? 55 of you got it right, and I'm pretty sure there are some online who are not on 𝐏𝐤 and typing in the answers as well. That's perfectly fine. Let's move on to the solution, okay? For now, our top position is these people here. Let's hope that we can, those of you who are not in the leaderboard, I hope we can climb up the places with our double points question, okay? Now, the solution for this one, again, I mentioned, we want the speed to be in kilometers per hour. So what we want to do is to convert from meters to kilometers first, which is dividing by 1,000. Okay? So we divide by 1,000, we are going to get 1.02 km. And then, if I want to find per hour means 1 hour. Per hour means 1 hour. So we find 1 hour instead. From 20 minutes giving us 1.02 km, we multiply by 3 to give us 60 minutes, which is an hour. Okay? Alright. 1 meter is 1,000 km. That is not correct. It's the other way around. It is the other way around. 1,000 meters is 1 km. Okay? Alright. There are some of you who want to join right now. The game pin is, let me bring that down. The game pin is 632421. Okay, everybody? The game pin is 632421. All right, once again, if you would like to get your hands on our worksheet and try the questions before coming, you can go on to our Telegram channel at MasterMaths PSLE, okay? All right, for those of you who are totally new, welcome. My name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. You can join our Kahoot right now. There are some double points questions for you to climb the leaderboard, okay? All right, for those of you who are still here, thank you for being here still. Can I get all of you to do me a quick favor, please, and help me spam the like button in 5 seconds. You are Kahoot. What does you are Kahoot mean? Okay, can you help me spam the like button, please? Thank you very much. If you are able to, it'll be great if you can help us share the live as well so that more people can join and play along, okay? All right. The topic here is on speed, okay? The topic here is on speed. Some of you are singing in the comments. Some of you are singing in the comments. So funny. All right. Hey, that's not nice. Let's move on, okay, friends? 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. Next question. Down to our 4th question out of 8. And this one you got to read very carefully. A shop is 750 meters away from Kim's home. She took 15 minutes to walk to the shop and back again. Find her average speed in kilometers per hour. So this one you got to read carefully. You are not just going to the shop, you are going to the shop and coming back home. So find the total distance first, okay? Thanks, Tashani. McSpicy, very fast. McSpicy, are you sure? Guys, I give you a hint, okay? Number 1, you are going to the shop and coming back again. That is the first hint. Number 2, think about the solutions that you have here, the answers, and see whether it is possible. Oh, thank you, Safana. Thanks for the sweet message. Let me just take a screenshot. So sweet of you. Okay. Think about whether these answers are possible or not. Okay, friends? You have less than 2 minutes left for this question. You have less than 2 minutes left for this question. Okay. Irene. Yeah, I'm surprised you are able to remember as well. Nice one. Okay. You got L1 for PSLE. Congratulations. Okay. Why yellow? Why blue? Some of you are saying yellow, blue, red. Are you able to see the screen? Let me turn this around. There we go. Okay. We have about 70 seconds left. Alright. Those of you who are saying, I'll give you a hint, those of you who are saying one of the primary colors, think about whether it is possible. Whether is it possible or not? Raihan, I feel you. Whether is blue possible, whether red is possible, think about that, okay? Oh, Dansha, that's very nice. All right, friends, we are down to our final 30 seconds. 30 seconds. What is our answer? Okay. The triangle formula, S is not at the top, the triangle formula. It is called the DST triangle. So D is at the top, okay? I hope that helps. Oh, Shahiran, that's nice to know. All right. Thank you for your feedback, Harsh. We will take note of that. Thank you. All right, friends. The answer is 6 kilometers. Now, for those of you who chose 50 kilometers per hour and 100 kilometers per hour, one question that I want to ask you, Do you think it's physically possible for you to walk the same as the speed of a car on the highway at 100 kilometers per hour? Is it possible for you to walk that fast, like the speed of a car on a highway? Because that's 100 kilometers per hour. If it's not possible, then it will not be the answer, okay? That is not even Usain Bolt's speed. He is actually much slower than this. 100 kilometers per hour is usually how fast the cars travel. In fact, our Singapore roads, right, it is at 90 kilometers per hour, okay? 90 kilometers per hour on our expressway. So if you're going to walk at 100 kilometers per hour, which is faster than most cars on our expressway, that's a little bit sussy, isn't it? Okay, so the correct answer is actually 6 kilometers per hour. Let me show you the solution or the explanation, okay? Yeah, it wouldn't make sense for you to travel at 100 or even a 50 kilometer per hour. Okay, so let me explain here. Those of you who are in P4, this may be a little bit too difficult for you because we will only learn speed. For those of you in P4, it will be difficult for you because you will only learn speed in Sec 1. So you don't have to be here if you don't understand anything, okay? So for those of you who are not so sure, let me just share with you a little bit with the changes of PSLE, okay? For our P4 friends this year, when they move up to P6, they do not need to learn speed. It has been moved out of the syllabus and into Sec 1 syllabus, okay? But our P5 and P6s this year, you still need to learn speed, okay? So let me explain to you the solution for question number 4. For this question here, once again, the first thing that we have to remember is that we are going from the home to the shop and then back home. So we got to double the distance, okay? And in total, she took 15 minutes. So to find her average speed, this is a formula that we need to know, and that is total distance divided by total time. So we take the total distance, which is 1,500 meters, convert it to kilometers per hour. Convert it to kilometers since we want kilometers. Convert the time 15 minutes to hours since we want it to be hours. We will get 1.5 km and 1/4 hour respectively. Find the average speed by dividing. So 1.5 divided by 1/4. It may seem difficult, but you just remember your KCF, keep, change, flip. Okay? Oh, thank you, Fax. Thank you so much. We just remember keep, change, flip. Then we will keep the first thing, which is 1.5. Change the divide into times. And then we flip the second fraction, which is 1/4. Change it into 4/1. We will get 1.5 times 4. So 1.5, 1.5 gives us 3. And now 1.5, 1.5, another 3. That makes 2 sets of 3, which is 6 kilometers. And that is our answer. Sorry, I forgot my per hour at the end. The average speed there should be 6 kilometers per hour, okay? Per hour. I'm so sorry, I forgot about that per hour, but it should be per hour, okay? All right, some questions coming in. For those of you asking if you should be here next week, well, I will be here and I hope you will be here as well. KCF is keep, change, flip. When we do fractions division, we will keep the first guy, change the divide into a times, and then flip the second guy, which is 1/4, we flip it to become 4/1. That is how we do keep, change, that's how we do fractions division, okay? So KCF. Any other questions here? Okay, let's see. 1,500 divided by 60 doesn't quite give you the same answer, which is 6, does it? I don't think so. So Mika, no, your answer is not right. Any other questions? Okay, any other questions, guys? Let's see. Okay, we will be going through the answer for 5 really, really soon, okay? Oh, thank you for saying I'm very nice. Okay, let's move on, everybody. All right. So once again, if you would like to get our previous recordings, they can be found on our YouTube channel at MasterMathsTV, okay? Yes, Ian Chu, what is your question? Thank you, everybody. All right. My class homework motto is KFC. What's KFC? KCF. Okay, let's move on, everybody. Let's go. All right, question number 5. The last MCQ question before we go on to open-ended, okay? Last MCQ question before open-ended. So many people saying I'm so nice today. Is it my face? Thank you, I'm just kidding. All right, next question, number 5. The question is in the diagram, okay, in the picture. Mika, you just need to remember to convert at the end of the day, okay? No, Ryan, I'm Malay. I'm Malay. Okay, guys, we are down to our question number 5. Wow, your comments today so nice. Love it. Looks like it's hard. No, okay, I give you a hint, okay? For those of you who are saying it's hard, I give you a hint. You only need to look for 2 things. Average speed. Every time it's average speed, something in our brain must click to tell us total distance divide total time. Only 2 things. Total distance, total time. Look for total distance, look for total time. Total distance, total time. Total distance, total time. Okay? So look for the total distance, look for the total time, then you divide. Alright? Okay, let's see. Oh, that's nice. A Palestinian guy. That's nice to know. Okay, what is our answer? I give you another hint, okay? If you take speed 1 plus speed 2 divided by 2, that is not correct. Not correct. So we got to change it. Thank you, Del. I'm taking pictures of all of your nice comments. Okay, let's see. I don't know why today got no Kahoot sound. I'm so sad. Our TV is working just fine, but it's just Kahoot. My iPad is working just fine too. We have 1 last minute. Yes, Mika, congratulations. This, once again, for those of you who are just new here, yeah, the code is 632421. My name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. Yes, we are going through the topic of speed, okay? We are going through the topic of speed. I didn't mute the sound, it's not muted. Yeah, see at the bottom, it's not muted also. Alright, so once again, friends, total distance divided by total time. Okay? No need, facts. This is only P6 math. Yes, Carmen, this is P6 math. Thank you, this is smiley face. Thank you so much. I think you mentioned that a couple of times and I see it. Thank you so much. Irene has already helped us type it in, okay? Average speed equals to total distance divided by total time. Wow, 57 got it right. Yay, good job. For those of you who didn't get it right, no problem. Let me share with you, okay? Those who are in P6 Foundation, you don't need to learn speed. Good for you. So for this one, you can just try only, or if you want to drop out, it's completely fine, okay? So let's take a look at our solution, all right, friends? Ooh, Rockstar Panther climbed up some places. That's nice. Okay, solution for question number 5. Let me share with you here, yeah? One more time. Total distance equal to total time. And so what we want to do is look at the 2 separate parts for the distance and focus on total distance and total time. So for the first distance, we only know it's 3/4 of the total. But we do know that the second distance will then be 1/4, which is 80 kilometers. So first part of the journey, we don't know the distance, but we can find, and that is 240 kilometers. So distance 1 done, distance 2 done, we can find total distance. Okay? And then for the first part of the journey, we don't have time 2. Second part, we do have the times. First part, we don't have. We got to find the time. Okay? And so to find time 1, again, because we need total distance, total time. So we need time 1 to help us. Time 1 will be distance divided by speed. So 240 divided by 80, that will give us 3 hours. I hope you guys are able to see the screen. Okay, that will give us 3 hours. And so this 3 hours is our first timing. Second time is 2 hours, total time 5 hours. First distance is 3/4, which is 240 km. Second distance, 1/4, which is 80. Total distance 320. We take 320 divided by 5, total distance, divide total time, to give us 64 kilometers per hour, which is the yellow one earlier, okay? Alright. Okay. Okay, so for those of you who want to join, the code is Kathleen, please be nice about it. The code is 632421, okay friends? Alright, so Ian, we will be going on live every Tuesdays at 7:30 p.m. Okay? Rai, we will just award the first place winner. Okay? This is a PSLE standard question. Okay, for those of you asking. Alright, any questions so far? If you got no questions, I am going to move on already. Once again, if you want to get the solutions, you want to just listen only and then write down the solutions later on, you can get them at our Telegram channel at MasterMaths PSLE. Okay? MasterMaths PSLE. Alright, friends, a quick one. Can you help me spam the like button while I type, or rather while I tell you our free webinar, okay? Can you please help me spam the like button on TikTok and Instagram? Thank you very, very much. Alright, so once again, for those of you who just joined, once again, my name is Coach Shahira from MasterMaths. Today, we are going through the topic of Kahoot, and on the, did I just say the topic of Kahoot? I meant the topic of speed on Kahoot. Today, we will be finishing up the topic of speed on Kahoot, but on the 8th of August, we are going to have our free webinar, and you can sign up at the link above. We will be giving away our 50-day planner, study planner, and we will also be giving away 10 actual PSLE all the way from 2014 all the way to 2023, okay? So please, please, please try to join. It's completely free, no need to pay money. This giveaway is also free. You stay till the end, we give you, that's it. No strings attached, it's completely free for you, okay? So this is just something that we would like to do for our students, and those who are not our students, is just something that we would like to do to value add for you, okay? So no strings attached, you just come, gain some value, gain some free giveaway, and then you can leave, that's all. Okay? Alright, so question number 6, let's go. Double points here. Okay, double points here. This one, you gotta read a little bit. Let me just share with you. We have Adam and Blake. They started jogging at the same time along a straight route. They did not change their speed. After 20 minutes, Adam reached the midpoint. Blake was 500 meters behind. Adam reached the finishing point 5 minutes before Blake. Find the distance of their jogging route in kilometers. So, how do we do that? How do we do this question? Okay. Kathleen, you try again, okay? Try again. Arash, I give you a hint. For those of you who are asking for some help, I give you a hint. Draw out the speed time diagram. Draw out the midpoint. Figure out how far away Blake is when Adam reached the midpoint, which the question already gave us to be 500 meters, right? So how far away will Blake be from the finishing point when Adam already reached the finishing point? Okay, figure that out. And then also figure out how long Blake will take to cover the entire journey. Okay, for those of you getting 100, that is not right. Try again. Good try so far. Ian, good try. Nila, good try, not right. Try again. Okay, so far I haven't seen the correct answer just yet. I haven't seen the correct answer just yet. Okay, guys, once again, give you a very big hint, okay? You got 2 more minutes to solve this question. I give you a very big hint. Figure out the total time Blake will need to complete the journey. The total time Blake will need to complete the journey. Oh, I see a correct answer. 1 person so far got the correct answer. 2 people. Only 2 people. Okay, I won't say who, if not later you're going to copy their answers. I won't say who. For those of you asking for Sec 4 O-Level revision, we will be having it tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. as well. If you're not in Kahoot, no problem. You can just try it here. Type out your answer in the chat, no problem, okay? Alright. What do you mean by the difference is the same? What difference are you talking about? Okay, so far only 2 people got it right. Mika, I think you should cry. No, I'm just kidding, eh? Okay, 20 minutes is 2 km, not quite. Ian Chu, good try, but you not right, you try again, okay? Alright, friends, we have about 40 seconds left. Psycho, this one, your number a bit too long. Huh? How are you going to run 2,960,000 kilometers? How are you going to run it? And reach the midpoint in 20 minutes. Really? A bit sassy. You try again. Okay, actually, still only 2 people got it right. Why I talk like Coach 𝐿? How does Coach 𝐿 talk? Is it different? I mean, is it the same? You can try again on a piece of paper. It doesn't matter whether you get it right or not on TikTok. I mean, on Kahoot, it's completely fine. What matters is you understand and you can try again on your own papers, okay? The correct answer, EC, you got it. And I think somebody else, EC and somebody else. Only 2 people got it. And in fact, here, 1, 2, 4, 8, 9 people. 9 plus the 2 here, that is 11 people got it right. Is it difficult, class, this one? Why did I say class? Is it difficult, guys, this one? Let me share with you, okay, the solution. Actually, once you see the solution, then you realize, alamak, actually quite easy. Okay? I personally, when I saw the question and I was doing the solution also, I'm like, is this too difficult? But once I do the solution, I realized, actually, it's not that difficult. Inspired Piranha, good job for you. Okay, guys, let's see the solution. Okay? This is smiley face. You were the second person who got it right. Nice. Okay, friends, let me share with you the solution here, okay? So, I draw out this diagram for you. We have the whole, oopsies, we have the whole journey being the one in black. Okay, we have the whole journey being the one in black. And then in the midpoint, Adam takes 20 minutes to cover the midpoint, but Blake was 500 meters before he reached. Blake was 500 meters behind him. So in 20 minutes, Blake still has 500 meters left to reach the midpoint. Okay, this part understand, yeah? Okay? So this part understand, huh? So in 20 minutes, Blake still has 500 meters. And since it is midpoint, whatever that is the front will be the same as the second half. So Blake needs another 20 minutes and then another 500 meters before he reached the finishing line. Okay? So Adam will take 40 minutes in total, whereas Blake will take 45 minutes because the question said Adam reached the midpoint or the finishing point 5 minutes before Blake. So Blake needs another 5 minutes. Okay? Alright, Ian, thank you. Excuse me. So Adam takes 40 minutes. Blake takes 45 minutes because 5 minutes. He needs another 5 minutes before he can reach the finishing point. And this additional 5 minutes is for him to cover the 500 and another 500. That means in 5 minutes, he will cover 1,000 meters, which is 1 km. And then in 45 minutes, his total time, he will cover 9 km. Okay? So once you draw this, actually becomes very clear, isn't it? Right? You don't even need their speeds, right? For now, no dear, we don't do foundation math on TikTok. Not for now, okay? Alright. How do you guys enjoy this so far? Do you like this method? Do you think it's clear? If you think this is clear, can you help me spam the like button? Please, thank you very much. If you think this is clear, can you help me spam the like button? Thanks a lot. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Harder than secondary school, really? That's very nice, Kaijin. Let me just take a screenshot of that. Okay, why 500 and 500? I repeat one more time, okay, for Mika. Okay, so the reason why 500 and 500 is because once Adam reached the midpoint, Blake is 500 meters behind him. So we repeat again because midpoint means half. So the other half is also another 20 minutes for Adam And then for Blake, it will be 20 minutes with additional 500. Because once he reached the midpoint, Blake is 500 meters behind. Okay, so for the others half, it will be the same. Basically just copy paste. Because first half and second half is the same. So from here, the additional time that he needs as compared to Adam, it is to cover the 500 and the other 500 for the first half and the second half. That is why 500 plus 500. Okay? Good question, right? What if they get tired and slow down for a second? Well, the question did say they did not change their speed throughout. So we don't need to see whether they are tired or not. Okay? We can just assume the speed is the same. Alright. Any questions so far? Okay. Alright. So everybody understand so far? Why times 9? Because Blake in total he take 45 minutes. 20 minutes here, 20 minutes here. And then he need additional 5 minutes because Adam reached the finishing point 5 minutes before Blake. Adam took 40, so Blake must take extra 5, so 45. Understand? This is indeed P6. Okay, if you want to take notes, I'm going to make it a little bit smaller. You can take a screenshot or the solution will be posted on our Telegram channel, MasterMaths PSLE, okay? Yes, this is P6. Indeed, this is P6. Usually this question, usually paper 2. Okay, usually paper 2. Any other questions so far? Okay, thank you. For those in P5 this year, you will learn speed next year also, okay? Alright, if you got no other questions, if we are okay, let's move on, yeah? What is P6? Oh, I'm sorry, that is your question. P6 is primary 6 in our primary school level in the Singapore education system. 12 years old, okay? Alright. Oh, really, Amika? So nice of you. Okay, friends, shall we move on to, I take another picture. Shall we move on to the next question? Okay, some people don't know what is P6 because they are from another country, okay? Let's be nice. Alright, friends, let's go. We are down to the question number 7, okay? In the meantime, if you want me to cover anything next week, please let me know. Because actually, why we are doing speed this week is because somebody mentioned to do speed this week. Why we did number patterns was because I think Thaddeus mentioned to do number patterns. So if you want to do something, you let me know, okay? I'm always open to feedback. You let me know, then I will prepare it for you. Okay? Alright, let's move on. Question number 7, another type answer. Second last question for the day. Right, second last question for the day. Okay, this one quite long, read for you. When Sherry started cycling from her home, Lana was 480 meters ahead. Okay, so this distance is the part that Sherry need to catch up if they are going to meet in the end. Sherry's speed is 5 meters per second, Lana is 2 meters per second. Same direction, no change in speed. So how many meters would Sherry have cycled when she caught up to Lana? Okay, there are 8 questions here, Nela. We are down to the second last one already. Alright, Asma, I hope you're not so bored. I hope this is helping you. Any SOS? Let me drink a sip of water first. Very hard, is it? Okay, share with you guys, Okay, for this one, keyword caught up. Caught up means you're looking at catch-up concept. Easy, you did that. Wonderful. Okay. Again, caught up means we are looking at catch-up concept. Should I just give you the formula? You want to try if I give you the formula? So time taken to catch up equals to, I hope you're listening, time taken to catch up equals to total distance apart out of the difference in speeds. Time taken to catch up equals to total distance apart out of difference in speeds. Okay? Okay? So look for the time taken to catch up and then from there find out what is Sherry's distance. Okay, one more time. Time taken to catch up equals to distance apart, how far away are they, divide by the difference in speeds. Okay? Once you have the time taken, you can find the distance that Sherry would have cycled. Okay? Those of you who are getting the time taken to catch up, which is in seconds, you multiply that by Sherry's speed to get her distance. Okay? Secondary classes will be tomorrow at 7:30 p.m. Yeah? This is smiley face. You got that? Faizai, I am so sorry if I'm butchering your name, but you try again. That is not 160 meters. That is the time taken to catch up. Okay? Yes, Mika, you got it. No need to cry anymore. You got it. Isi, you got it. Good job. Okay. Hanim, you got it actually, Hanim. Alright, those of you getting 320, not quite right, you try again, okay? We got about 40 seconds left. Why today got no Kahoot sound at all? A bit sus. Later I will go and investigate. No unit, never mind, just number will do, okay? No unit, never mind, just number will do. Yes, Mika, 2 steps, correct. 2 steps only. Just now say difficult, now say easy, Mika. Del, you got that, nice one. Nice one. Okay, quite a number of you getting it actually. Great job. Yes, Neila, congratulations. Are you the same Neila from my Monday class actually, Neila? Are you the same Neila? I was from Jurong Secondary School, for those of you asking. Oh, Neila, I'm so proud of you. Thank you for joining. Your efforts are paying off. Good job. Okay, friends, so the answer is 800. Those of you who gave all these differing answers, whether you put the units, you got put space between the units, you spell the whole thing out, I will still accept, okay? Alright, so, yes, I lived in Jurong last time. Okay, let's move on. So, this question, the answer is 800. How come? Let's see. How many of you managed to solve after I gave you the formula? Yes? No? Anybody managed to solve after I gave you the formula? I hope you are able to. Yes, nice one. Oh, quite a number actually. Wonderful. Okay, Classy Dragon, congratulations to you. Let's move on to the solution. So, this one, I hope all of you really go and memorize. Time taken to catch up. If I want to catch up to you, I just use this formula. Total distance apart, which is the 480 meters that Sherry need to catch up, okay? 480 meters at the top. The difference in speed, one of them is 5 meters per second, the other one is 2. The difference would be 3 meters per second. So the time taken to catch up, so Sherry need to go and cycle for 160 seconds, okay? And if we want to find how far she would have already cycled, that will be 160 seconds the time, multiplied by the speed to give us the distance, 500 meters per second, okay? So 2 steps only. This one is the formula to show you. This part in red is the formula to show you. Your steps are only the ones in blue, 2 steps only. Okay? 2 steps only. Okay, for those of you who are saying the notes are very long, actually the solution will be posted on our Telegram channel. You can just print it out. No need to copy, okay, if you don't want to copy. Alright? Don't stress, darling. You can just take a screenshot also can. Print it out after the solutions are posted also can, okay? Don't so stress. The game pin, for those of you asking, we are down to one final question. The game pin is 632421, okay? Alright, friends? Okay. Everybody good? Our friends on Instagram, everything okay now? Alright. Boys and girls and adults and teenagers and everybody else in between, and our grandparents, if you're also here, can you please help me spam the like button? Thank you very, very much. Can you help me spam the like button and share this with all your friends and family and your followers and your following? And then we'll move on to the last question, okay? Thanks a lot. Every time you all spam, our numbers go up, and that's really, really nice. Thank you so much. Anybody grandparents here? No, right? Okay. Thank you so much. In 5 seconds, okay? I'll move on in 5, 4, 3. Hey, EC, my grandma has TikTok, you know. 2. Oh, my camera is flipped. Thanks, Arash, for letting me know. Suddenly flipped. Wait, I see if I can deal with it. Perfect. There we go. Yes, I see you. I see you. I see you. My screen okay now? All right. So, Mika, I'm teaching in all our centers, okay? Nela, I'm so sorry to hear that. Okay, friends, thank you so much for your likes. Okay, I share with you a very quick tip for next question, okay? So that you guys can solve it, okay? A quick tip for next question. Next question is on meet up concept. If time taken to catch up is total distance apart divided by difference in speed, because they need to catch up, so they need to look at how much time they would have to cover back in 1 second, and that will be the difference, which is 3 meters here. Okay, if the time taken to catch up is looking at total distance apart divided by difference in speeds, what do you think is the formula for time taken to meet up? Because that's the next question. Meet up concept. Time taken to meet up will be total distance apart divided by what of the speeds? That is my clue for your next one, okay? Ready? All right, let's go. Meet up concept, one more time. Total distance apart divided by the what of the speeds. Try that. Last question. Yes, Mika, you're correct. Okay, last question. Let's go. Desmo, quite sad to hear that. I'm sorry. Hello. All right, we are down to the last question. Okay, so we have 2 people traveling, one from A to B, one from B to A. The speeds are given. The distance apart are given. They started at 8 a.m. What time will they pass each other? Guys, this one we will use something that we have already discussed in question 1. Okay, when you find the answer, if you get a decimal, express it in the form of a mixed number first. Then make the denominator into 60, okay? R, it's okay, you already cleared it. You already cleared PSLE, don't need to think so much. We are going to end after this question, okay? After this question, and then I will stay for some Q&A, and then we can end. The screen is no longer upside down, right? Oopsies. Ariel, can you please help? Cockroach. Thank you. Oh my goodness. Can. I can explain. Sorry. There's an insect that I saw. So our friend is helping to clear it. Okay. Sorry, yeah. AM, no dots, I will still accept, okay? AM, no dots, I will still accept. Thank you. Okay, friends. There was an insect. I'm so sorry. I got distracted. All right. So, hi, Cyrus Apple. You're back. No need 24-hour clock. AM, PM will do. All right. So, how to solve this question? We are looking at pass each other. So, one from A to B, one from B to A. We're going to move, and then they will pass each other, which means they will meet, which means we are looking at meet-up concept. Okay, this is primary 6 math. Meet-up concept. That will be time taken to meet up equals to total distance apart divided by, instead of the difference, it is now the sum of speeds. The sum of speeds, okay? This is smiley face. You got that right. Ben, you are correct. My gosh. Hi, Faiz. I hope you are able to solve this. Yes, Del, you got that. Oh, hi, NK. Yes, I'm Rifki's sister. Unfortunately, we do not teach Math Olympiad. Once again, time taken to meet up will be the total distance apart divided by the sum of speeds. Nela, good job. Nela, remember to put a dot in between the 10 and the 24. The 10 and the 24, okay? Did I accidentally? Oopsies. I'm sorry. Actually, a lot of you got it right, but I'm so sorry. I might have accidentally given the answer. Another 20 seconds. I'm sorry. I'm so sorry. Okay. It's okay. I think it's okay if you don't put units. Hi, Moses. Okay. 5 more seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Let's go. All right, last question already. So how to solve? And just now, okay, these are all the acceptable ones, but I share with you guys what is the completely acceptable one, okay? The completely acceptable one, only one person got it right. The completely acceptable one is this one, 10.24a.m. Okay, the 24-hour format, we try not to change if they didn't ask us to change, okay? 10.24a.m. Okay, 10.24a.m. Got it? Okay. Alright. Okay, so yes, I do teach P5 math, I do. Okay. I'm so sorry if you got it wrong because I can only accept 4 different variations, but no problem. Your heart knows that you got it right is all that matters, okay? Your heart knows you got it right is all that matters. So the correct answer is 10:24 a.m. Let me share with you the solution. Just now, to catch up, it was the difference in speeds. This time round, to meet up, it will be the sum of the speeds, okay? Just now, to catch up, it was the difference. Now, to meet up, it will be the sum. All right, so you just memorize this formula will do. So total distance apart, 360 km because of the distance. And the sum of speeds is 150. When we divide, we're going to get 2.4 hours, which is 2 and 4 out of 10, which is 2 and 24 out of 60 hours, which is 2 hours, 24 minutes. So from 8 a.m., go to 2 hours, 24 minutes later, you will reach 10:24 a.m. Okay? For those of you who are saying why you put different variations of 10:24 also wrong, it's only because I can only accept 4 options in Kahoot, okay? So I'm really sorry, I'm limited by the Kahoot's availability of correct answers. But in your heart, you know you are correct. That's all that matters, okay? All right. So once again, boys and girls and teenagers and everybody else, if you would like to get your hands on our solutions that will be posted tomorrow, they can be found on our Telegram channel at MasterMaths PSLE. And if you would like to watch our previous lives, it's at MasterMathsTV, okay? All right, if you have no questions, I'm here to stay to answer some questions that you have. For now, let's take a look at who is our number 1. Okay. Mika, I got no space. Okay, so our number 1 here, let's see. Inspired Piranha, good job for being number 3. Nela, see you on Monday, bye. Classy Dragon, nice one, number 2. And the first place winner, remember to take a screenshot, okay? Brave Camel, congratulations. Remember to take a screenshot and DM us. We will mail you your voucher, okay? All right, if you have no questions, I will see you guys again tomorrow. Let me come into view. I will see you guys again tomorrow. Not tomorrow, why did I keep saying tomorrow? I will see you again next Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. And if you would like me to cover anything, you can type it in the chat now, okay? Otherwise, see you again next week. Bye. Please let me know what you want me to cover next week, okay? Then I can help you out. All right. Thank you, everybody. Tomorrow is secondary school, yes. Bye, Del. Bye, everyone. Bye, everybody. Cover fractions or circles. Actually, we covered already, but sure. We can consider that. My hair messy, really, I'm sorry. I try my best. Yes, we do have P5 classes in our regular center, but on TikTok, we don't do P5, if that is what you're asking. Bye, Rasul, bye-bye. Dansha, I've been singing that the whole day today. Pie charts. Pie charts, have we covered pie charts? We can try that, yeah? Okay. All right, let's see. Archie, I try, okay? I see what I can do about it, okay? No, I don't like that word. Pie charts, Arash. Okay, I try to see what I can do, okay? Alright, if you got no questions, I'll see you guys again next week, yeah? Bye. I don't stay around Yishun. I don't like Yishun. Why your math teacher scold you? What happened? Bye, Archie. Cocoa melon ratio. Okay, I try. Yeah? Alright, if you want me to cover any other questions, I show you. If you want me to cover any other questions here, please let me know. Otherwise, I will stay for a little bit more Q&A. Play what? What do you want to play, Vincent? We are actually, we have already ended our live. Okay. Alright. Any questions? If not, that's all. Oh, darling, Vincent, we already covered Kahoot. We just ended the Kahoot. Maybe next week you stay and we can play Kahoot again next week, okay? Hi, Charlotte. Okay, let's see. Alright. Okay, if you got no other questions, I see all your comments, okay? I will take that in mind. Whatever you want to do next week, I will keep in mind. Otherwise, bye. I will see you guys again next week, okay? Why am I here? We are just done with our Kahoots. Oh, you're talking to Charlotte. General word problems, you mean heuristics? We can cover that as well. We try. Question 6, no problem, Arash. Here you go. Question 6. Do you want me to repeat again, Arash? Do you need some help here? Repeat or you just need the solutions? Let me know, okay, Arash? Our science live classes are currently on hold because our science coach is down with a couple of classes actually. So maybe you can KIV that first. We will KIV that first. And then we will try to update you guys soon, okay? Arash, sure, I will repeat this one more time. Okay, let's take a look at this question. Alright, so for those of you who want question number 6 again, whoopsies. Okay, Arash, I hope you can see my green color pointer here. Cannot lah, Mika. Okay, so Arash, after 20 minutes, Adam reached the midpoint. So midpoint here, Adam takes 20 minutes. This part understand, yeah? Okay, Arash, if yes, you just tell me yes, okay? So 20 minutes, he reached midpoint, but Blake was 500 meters behind. So in the same 20 minutes, Blake covered 20 minutes also, but he still got another 500 meters to cover. Correct? This part understand, huh? So once he reached the midpoint, Adam take 20 minutes to reach midpoint, but in the same time that Adam take 20 minutes, Blake also 20 minutes, but Blake is 500 meters behind Adam. Okay? So if you repeat the whole thing for the other half, because the speed did not change, it's the same speed throughout. If you repeat this for the other half, because midpoint means in the center, so the first half and the second half is going to be the same. He will take another 20 minutes to cover the other half, the second half, and Blake will take another 20 minutes to cover a distance that is 500 meters away from the end point here. Okay? Alright, can follow up? Alright, then from here, we know that Adam will take in total 40 minutes. 40 minutes. Okay, Adam take 20 minutes for the first half, another 20 for the second half. So 40 minutes, but when Adam reached the finishing point, which is 40 minutes, this is 5 minutes before Blake. So Blake need another 5 minutes. So 5 more minutes for Blake. Okay, therefore Blake will be 45 minutes. Okay, so if Blake takes 45 minutes in total, in the 5 minutes that he needs extra time, it is to cover the distance he was away from the midpoint in the first half and away from the finishing point in the second half. So 500 here, 500 there, it's that 5 minutes that he needs to take extra time. Okay, so 5 minutes is 1,000 meters, which is 1 km. Therefore, 45 minutes will be just times 9, 5 times 9, 45. 1 times 9 will be 9,000 meters, which is 9 km. Arash, understand? Okay, Mika, see you next week. Bye. Bye, Mika. Arash, if you understand, can you let me know? Any questions here so far? Okay, fantastic, Arash. Great job. Okay, the rest of you, if you got no questions, I will end the live here. Otherwise, if you got any questions, I'm staying for a short while longer to see what you guys want to ask. Otherwise, we will move on, okay, to end the live. Alright. Any questions? Any questions? If not, for those of you who just joined, we actually just ended our live. We will see you guys again next week, Tuesday at 7:30 p.m. for our TikTok live class, okay? Alright. Thank you, everybody. Good night. Remember to sleep well, drink more water, and take care of yourself as you are gearing up for PSLE, okay? Thank you, everybody. Bye. Good night. Bye-bye. Good night, everyone. Take care. Bye.